Hi everyone, I'm Szenanphua from AcuTCM School. Today, this video, I'm going to show you some JIYI Acupuncture point and how to needle them to treat stroke patient. And as well as showing you one of the case from the student in China and who did JIYI Acupuncture on stroke patient and very good results. So stay tuned. Let's show you the case first, right? Yes, this is all in Chinese, but I will explain to you what's going on in here. Let's have a look on the subject. JIYI Acupuncture to treat stroke patient. He can now move his right hand after 3 acupunctures. So this is the screenshot that the student shared on WeChat, and the screenshot and it's come up with a video as well, and I'll show you the video later on. In Chinese over here is as a male patient, 60 years old. A month ago, he had stroke, and after the hospital came out of hospital, and then we made some complication, which is the upper body couldn't move, like mainly the hands couldn't move, and with weakness, very weak. And after 3 acupuncture, it got immediate results. 3 acupuncture. And let's have a look at what sort of result that he has achieved. Let's look at the video. Well, the acupuncturist, as I said, came in here and let's move around and see. Oh yeah, you can move now. You can see that you can move your hand right now, and he wasn't able to. Okay, now this is the result. And next step, I'm going to show you how to choose some point to treat stroke patient. And before that, I want to let you know that on 2023, June, from 19 to 21st. So from 19 to 21st, 3-day workshop in Malaysia. So please contact us if you're interested to join. There's a link down below that you can click. You can read through and see what you will learn in acupuncture, JIYI Acupuncture workshop. And what happened is, I know you're English speaker, and we have a translator who will translate Chinese Mandarin to English to you directly. So you have a earphone that you can hear from it, okay, to learn directly for Master Cao Long Liu. Okay, how do you contact us? Easy. This is my WhatsApp if you want to talk about this, and this is my phone number. Just add me on my WhatsApp and talk to me if you're interested to join this workshop. If you have no question at all, there's a link down there. Click and then just sign up the workshop. Okay. Now next, what I'm going to do is, as a promise, I'm going to show you the points. Okay. First, JIYI is about yin yang and shen jiang, right? And what's yin yang? Is you lay your patient down from the head side, look at the leg. As you can see here, this is the right leg. It turns to the right side. Yang. This is the left leg toward to the right side as well. In. So this is in leg. This is yang leg. That's it. Okay. And the first point on the yang leg you're going to needle Phua Ltd point. Phua Ltd point is large intestine 18. Large intestine 18. Okay, let me figure out the number exactly. I'm pretty sure it's large intestine 18. Yes, it's large intestine 18. So needle this point on the yang side. Okay, in my case, okay, in this patient. And how do you needle it? Grab the muscle and needle just one chun, about one chun or half chun. In and out, in and out, in and out, 3 to 5 times needle, just gently, and then take out the needles. Then the next one, you go to, this is the fire point, fire yang point, and this is fire in point is on the neck. Yeah, on the neck and between 4 and 5 vertebrae. Okay, and there's a muscle over here. So go over here, grab the muscle between 4 and 5 vertebrae, grab the muscle, and again, similar to how you needle to large intestine 18. So one chun on half chun needle, in and out, 3 to 5 times. That's it, and then needle out. Okay. Then this is a fire point. Now, because in this case, it's hand, you can't move the upper body. So I'm going to choose the local point. This is distal point. We'll do the local point. And the local point, I'm going to choose on large intestine meridian and lung meridian. And how, and guess what? How do you put needle? Which side? Very simple. Well, on this side, it's yang meridian, right? It's yang leg, right? On that side, right leg's yang leg. On the opposite, which is left hand. Left hand. In this case, left hand, you treat large intestine. Okay, large intestine. Now, which point? Basically, any point. Okay, now, again, I'm going to give you exactly the point. You're going to needle large intestine 15, large intestine 14. Okay, and can also needle large intestine 11, 10, and 6. That's good enough. We can add on large intestine 4 as well. Okay, and those points, 2 strategy in here regarding remaining the needle. You can needle in and out 3 to 5 times and take out a needle, or you can just place the needle there for 15 minutes or up to an hour, and it's up to you. Okay. Then on the opposite side, lung meridian. Okay, which is on the right hand side, lung meridian. And lung meridian, which point do you treat on lung meridian? Simple. All lung meridian. You don't need it on that side. You only need it on that side. You can choose all the point. But in this case, I'm not going to suggest you needle all the point. For the local point, it's in the upper arm. You want the upper arm move, then you needle lung 3 and lung 4. If you want to get the elbow to move, then you needle lung 5. Then you want to get some strength on the forearm, you needle lung 6 and lung 7. All right. If you want to get the fingers to work, the palm to work, you needle lung 10, lung 11. That's it. So you can choose where to go. And again, do you need to retain the needles? No. You just in and out, 3 to 5 times. That's it. Just stimulate the point. That's it. But if you want to remain a needle, yes, you can put the needle there for 15 or up to 60 minutes. And that's up to you. Okay. Now, I hope this helped. And I want to give you the case first, showing you that someone did the case. It worked very well. Then I share with you some points. And this is according to JIYI Acupuncture Yin and Yang. And if you want to learn more, sign up the workshop. Okay, you will learn Yin and Yang, how to find out Yin and Yang properly, and how to choose those points properly according to Yin and Yang diagnosis. And then the Sun and Jiang points, and you definitely need to learn in the class, right? So contact me by WhatsApp that I just show you, and I'll download all the details down there or up there. Right? Stay awesome. I hope you learned something from this case, and all the best. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.